Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea, who never met before, and you're watching my Bay Area beauty series where I take you behind the scenes on different beauty brands and services around the Bay. So today I'm actually at Restore. We're about an hour or so before the grand opening. This is like a really cool concept store right on Maiden Lane in Union Square in San Francisco, and you'll see really niche brands that have a strong online presence having an offline space. Some of my favorite brands like And Other Stories, Thinx, Boy Smell Candles, and so on and so forth. So one thing that's really cool about this store is that there are 3 levels, and you can kind of discover brands as you go. Beauty and jewelry are going to be on the first floor. Second floor is more home, lifestyle, and some menswear. And then the third floor has more beauty and lifestyle stuff too. There's also a small co-working space on the third floor where they do events. There's actually a pop-up nail spa in the front area of the store called Lacquer Bar. They are also based in my hometown of Berkeley. So I'm going to be getting my nails done today. The pop-up is here August through November, so all the important dates and booking information down below. These nails need some help right now, so I think maybe potentially gonna do some nail art and some fun polish colors for summer.
Oh, sure.
The store is officially open! Just wrapped up my mani. I love it. We did a pale lilac-y pink gel with a little kiss of nail art, just a dainty little piece of a white flower. I love it. Again, Lacquer Bar, it's here, first floor of Restore when you come in on Maiden Lane. They're doing gel manicures for $39, regular manicures for $29. Nail art is available, and it's a dry manicure style, so you can be in and out and get your shopping on at the same time. So I will have all the booking and details linked down below.